All right, we're into the vocab section. The directions for this section say mark your answer choice for numbers 23 through 32. Number 23, what is the meaning of the homonym swallow in the following sentence? If you fly too low, the waves will swallow you. Believe too easily, take into the stomach. A small swift bird, take in. Number 24, which word pair contains antonyms? Labyrinth, maze. Low, high. Fly, flown. String, thread. Number 25, which of these currently completes the following sentence? While his mother talked, Ichiro paid close blank. Attends, attention, attendance, attendment. Number 26. Which of these correctly completes the following sentence? Ichiro's blank grew as the day for the party approached. Excitance, excitation, excited, excitement. Number 27. What does the word just mean in the following sentence? His family had just moved to a new city. Recently, honest and fair, at that moment, exactly. Number 28. What is the meaning of the homonym flee in the following sentence? Daedalus and his son would flee through the air. Escape from danger. Small jumping insect. Outdoor market. Unkind saying. Number 29. Which word pair from Ichiro's 10th birthday party contains antonyms? Tried, impossible. Basketball, volleyball. Thrilled, forlorn. Brothers, uncles. Number 30. Which of these correctly completes the following sentence? Ichiro sent an blank to each friend. Invitement, invitance, inviting, invitation. Number 31. What does the word courts mean in the following sentence? The activities center had a gymnasium with basketball and volleyball courts. Places to play certain games. The people around a king or a queen. Places where legal decisions are made. Try to win favor with someone. And the last question for vocabulary is number 32. What does the word ingenious mean in the following sentence? Daedalus was known for his ingenious inventions and projects. Complicated, expensive, clever, confusing.